What is up, Tukas TV? I'm Tyler.
Gameplays there, gaming.
And we are doing a Nerf gun review on the Mega
Centurion. I'm holding it
Centurion.
upside down.
Okay. Yeah.
Why
Anyways,
is the name backwards.
I don't know. It's not gonna be on the
Here's
video.
the main attributes of it. It has the cool handle. It has the It's super long. It goes like all the way over to here, from here to here. Open hatch. The barrel is a little bent sideways. Super long barrel too.
Yeah, let's get up now. Okay, so we're gonna shoot this thing.
Actually, no, we're gonna do the Nerf trials.
Nerf
Like
trials?
that, yeah. You know, wait. Guys, we're gonna have to talk about something for a second.
Huh?
You know what? The Nerf trials are something that we test out the guns, like the accuracy, the fire rate, and the range.
Wait.
So
Ready,
the
go.
first trial, range.
See that little dart? Right there.
Range.
Very far.
Actually, let's take this outside.
Well, no, we're gonna lose it.
I know, I'm just kidding.
Let's not take it outside. We're gonna. It's gonna go down the hill, and we're never gonna find it again.
And now we're never gonna find the Nerf dart that I just shot.
Oh my gosh.
I lost it.
Game Blazer. What?
Oh, it's under the bed.
Under the. Oh, okay.
Like this, how if this was somebody who lived their life? Like they were they had a Mega Centurion. That was the only gun they were against Nerf war, and they were just chilling under the bed like this. And then they're like,
Life.
Tuna. And also, what's hanging out of your trash can? Like a spider cobweb?
Yeah, something like that. I don't know.
Oh, that's a spider egg. Yeah, so, good job, Mr. Fidget Spinner Holder. This is why fidget
Choose,
spinners
leave a
are
like and
not
subscribe.
good for- This is why fidget spinners are not good for YouTube.
I
People
just
always
fell on
get
the ground.
distracted and then they hurt
I
themselves.
tripped. Over that
Stop acting like
stupid
dummies.
saying.
That's it. I'm gonna wreck everything.
No. No. Chill.
Shut up! I'm just kidding.
Hello?
So we did range.
Wait, it's uptight. It was uptight down the whole time. I'm so dumb.
Oh yeah. So the range is far. Let's try accuracy. So, Ty, come here. Wait, here. Right over here. See how good the accuracy is. Right? Oh, these are just magnet darts.
Yeah.
Oh, look. We have teams.
Yeah. I used to have
Okay, so we're going to test.
I lost an orange one. So who cares? You know?
Okay, when we edit this video, can you turn this in super slow-mo?
No, I can't. Oh shoot!
I hit a bullseye! And I dropped again!
Oh yeah. Look what I did. I'm so good. I am so good. Look what I just did. I am so boss right now. I don't know how that happened, but I'm just so good.
You suck at darts.
I know I do suck at darts. I'm so bad at.
Ready? Watch this. Oh,
Wow.
I'm the boss. You guys hear me? I'm the boss in this house. Even though I don't live here.
I'm gonna edit that out. I'm just kidding. I don't know how to edit.
And also,
rest in peace.
look
I
at
was
this.
vlogging.
This is like the Gatling gun type.
Don't shoot me with it. What are you doing?
I'm not. So it's like. Okay. So range, accuracy, and rate fire.
Oh, that was not bad.
Okay, I'm gonna try. The rate fire is pretty slow, but it hits hard because you have to rewind this thing a lot. So rate of fire. So you know, I don't think we do rate of fire for this one because this one is one of those heavy artillery ones.
All
We
right,
should,
cool.
like I have.
We gotta end the video soon, so it's 5 minutes. So.
Oh come on, we can go to 15 or 20.
No, we can't go to 15. I don't have that much space.
Well, that was probably all that we have for today.
I'm sorry. My parents are broke. I'm just kidding.
But still, it was
I'm sorry I don't have the
It
space.
was a pretty good review. But
Yeah.
the rate of fire, probably horrible.
But that's the Centurion gun. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this to all your friends because that was when my dad owned he didn't own a store, but he worked at my grandparents owned a store. So
For
yeah.
what?
This was like a stamper, an old time stamper.
Whoa, people
Like-
old times.
Yeah, like if you like that's how you would stamp the receipt or something like that. I forget.
How do you even change the things?
I don't know. I don't think you do though.
Oh, I found it.
But I don't know. Okay, so whatever. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and a subscription to my channel. Well, not my channel. It's him and Gabe Lasers. But like and subscribe. Make sure to share this to all your friends because
We're awesome.
yeah, awesomeness.
10 cents. Does this work?
It used to. There's like 10 billion of those in there, but I don't know how much to do. Anyway, so that's any video. I already said that like 3 times already. But goodbye.